And Oh, you steal his features, and your mother is a bleacher. She don't even feel the heat, no. She don't even want to speak to you. But you'll always find another place to go. Oh, you'll always find another wound to grow, to grow. Find the children who discreetly were killed in infancy, to stop them holding you and screaming that you lose your wildest dreaming, still reminding you of him. He left without reasons, but you'll always find another place to go. Oh, you'll always find another wound to grow. Just like insects, clean up the dead you leave behind. Doctor, what's become of me? So always turns out the same. Oh, affection has always been a little game. And forgive me, it's one I've never understood. Love to me has been as bad as good. I've been drowning in the water that you're walking on. Been falling through the air whilst you float up. Hey, hey, I'll kiss your eyes, I'll wash your skin. Hey, hey, forget myself and let you in. Hey, hey, 'cause all I want is that cold affliction of your affection. And believe me, oh, it happens all the time. Oh, affection can be as cruel as it is kind. Oh, and lover, won't you give me a sign? Seems love can be as deaf as it is blind. I've been drowning in the water that you're walking on. Been falling through the air whilst you float up. Hey, hey, I'll kiss your eyes, I'll wash your skin. Hey, hey, forget myself and let you in. Hey, hey, 'cause all I want is that cold affliction of your affection, and fall down into sleep, into a fevered dream where I barely know what is going on. Except I know that I want you, and I know that I need you, and I'll tell you I love you again and again and again and again. Hey, I'll kiss your eyes, I'll wash your skin. Hey, forget myself and let you in. Hey, 'cause all I want is that cold affliction of your affection. It's a 5 a.m. wake up call, you're screaming, and all I could do is look through a gap in the window. Scared shut in, see no one's helping, no bystanders. Then you disappear. I'm not sure, I think there was an altercation. It all too often happens down my road. Broken glass. I'll tear the night, keep it from you. Hold me up and watch me bloom. I'm a dangerous fire, a poison fume. Now I'm done staying, quit playing, I'm out on this. I spent too long lying, and now I'm trying to hurt you, but you've seen me bad and seen me covered up. Maybe I'm not scared what you're thinking of. You've seen me here and held me miles away underneath my skin. Is all you'll see today. I could take you there if you let me see why you are the one, you the one for me. Time is wasted and I'm not losing sleep. Don't just stand and stare. Come on and bare your teeth. I could take you there if you let me see why you are the one, you the one for me. Time is wasted and I'm not losing sleep. Don't just stand and stare. Come on and bare your teeth. 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 Come on and bare. You've seen me bare and seen me covered up. Maybe I'm not scared what you're thinking of. You've seen me here and held me miles away underneath my skin. Is all you'll see today. I asked Saint Christopher to find your sister, and she ran out in the woods. And she ran out in the woods. Oh, it was autumn then, and we were trying to stop the winter, killing all it could, killing all it could. And I pray aloud for you. scars from our mothers. And we know what we know, 'cause we're made of all the little bones of our fathers. And I pray a lot for you. And I look out for you. And I pray a lot for you. And I look out for you. I asked Saint Christopher to find your sister. She ran out in the woods. 'Cause she ran out in the woods. I wanna be older, I wanna be stronger. I don't wanna fall at the start. I wanna be quicker, I wanna get closer. I don't wanna feel worlds apart. 'Cause I'm fast enough to get in trouble, but not fast enough to get away. And I'm old enough to know I'll end up dying, not young enough to forget again. It's all a fickle game. Oh, that's a fickle game we play. dying, not young enough to forget again. I'm sick of fickle games, 'cause life's a fickle game we play.
What if I'm made of stone? Feeling is not a system. Nervous and caught in a hole. Hoping I'm overthinking. I should be feeling more. Draped over your bones. Paint colors up the walls to spread our inspirations. You are the likely cause of what will be my demise. Oh, it's not surprising, just inconvenient to play no part in all of the instruments. Seem to be sounding out. It's premature. I think I'm made of stone. I should be feeling more. It's just face painting. It's just easing the waiting before dying without company. I think I'm made of stone. I think we are all built out of memory, built out of scenes, structures of whispers pass through our veins.